much, Ashaw0 Jumedia when you go so I will say a Ghana Wahala Jumedia, na me amotimini midi, and a queer sikapa. Ebusia for another day, and some of our to apunosum. A brand evident and say, what far a councillor, their bonnet once for him was so that just what did she, a year or May moon, just a walking candy, and decade candy, and decade candy, and then day, dear. Just a day. A brand and near we papa, so once a uncle for binum say no. When any was said then crampuna won't show Emma woman and soon it's trimunum, the near woo anything because there why yama buyer being on. Ama atese ayabre ho ewo omayi emu abaye bi ensu etini so ma said de eye ni anane sie bi ewo ni nyina eye nipa baako ya ehu entina abusuafo mama yembonra ensem no emu eye Ghana for said de munim no eye TV show bi ewo ho no ma atese maya ne emema ekokosi honum epe eye wo mo ehu anase wo mo kokohwe se obenya obi oni obetimi ne no atena abobra betimi akwakọ wie aware na me kan na chese eye TV3 date Russia wo mo eye no wo eho no ehu ensem na me kan obehunu na ema akwakọ go na be me ne wabebu ne pan na ema wo mo be fele di ama no mu na wo mo ayeden atene wo mo rush on na chese Saturday no say ne obaba ko na abenya eye den abako na ade beko na so unya rush bebre ona eye den abako e na wo betus ne ne say mokọ na eyeye mamu afan anye yesu ani nyina no wo san ede babonte san so na mema no so ede etiem na eno e ma che say ebi esiye e ma baye bia na ne din ede Freelove emra okoye ne okoko muko embema ba ya wo mu ye na nka on de bema de wawu e de amano anu wo hwe se nka bema yi ebe fa na na so wo betene ono ne rush on e de amano na chese nka one no epi na so amba musa amfa ma na so efri wono no still na abaya no embu na bem anase e ma ni hu ne ho se bia onye fa na sese na nso so nipa ene de wamasa abaya yi ne wura ho ne ho pa sa wo ye wu no ebe bia se na so otu anamon Eko eye TV3 days rush no eye Councillor George Cyril Lutterodt. I'm Councillor. Mamu nim Councillor say eno de aba ni nsem hunu nsem kwa wo beka because oba bonte me beka say bema so obu nkotodwe ese oba pa enye bema wusi oba nyoma enye like oyobia oyo so controversial we features nigga free wa no ena wo honum na wo mkoko pie mu ewo eye FM station bi achese wo mo ekasa wo honum Freelove nso so ewo ho bi achese wo mo edi inkitanwom na eno ena chese papa yi edi to dia session Saturday trash ho nkwane ba na ekọ ni nyina eye Ashaw0 in disguise eye Ashaw0 wo mo ba Ashaw0 awu bra tutu bra no ene ya sheda so wo mo edi akogo nto ba bia wo besi wo no msa wo kwakọ boy Bema besi wo so kwakọ pego na cheso ya Ashaw0 no ye tutu ni ba sibra ni ene chese papa yi ebibi nsem mu biebie nsem ani so kekaye na abaya Freelove nsus no kwakọ pie mu wo honum bia na chese ankoye amfa ama no na chese ebusia de papa yi kan ye crampo e masa eniso ne ba ye no ese wani na man kokotie eye ensem akansa Lutterodt wodi egu abu
It was my choice. You see, I didn't go there to go and open my legs and go and say, Beji. I didn't go and do that.
What did you do?
I went to get a date. I didn't go say,
Beji for what?
Prostitution, like I said. Prostitution. Listen. Prostitution.
Even in sleepers. Tell your
Please. Councillor.
No, it's not sexual harassment.
Councillor, please. Forget driving. The patrol driving.
Don't do that. Don't do that. I don't like what you are.
I don't like what you are. Prostitution is a practice of a sexual activity in exchange for payment. I did not go there to go and say, Beji. I went for a date. Every woman has a choice to make. I didn't go and beg because my mom was begging. Please, what are you saying? You always have the word. Councillor, you have to stop.
No, you just want to beg a man to love you.
Councillor, I went for a date because my mom you should know what date is.
No.
You should know what date is. You are always wasting people's lives.
You should apologize to your family.
Everybody knows that about you. Everybody knows that about you.
Now your family allow you to come into public and come and do this.
That's like everybody knows
the
that
area you live. If the men
everybody
there are not admiring you, can you show me your area? Let me show you an area that they can admire such a thing. Because you see, everywhere
Who are
is
baby papa dey make papa family pray.
it's a one ball.
Who are baby papa
They
dey
Brother person out there. Yeah, connection. Nothing out here.
no, that's not right.
Can you apologize to your family?
Please, counselor, Right. Sammy, I have told you this. There's a difference. There's a vast difference. And there's a vast difference.
I'm listening for the first time.
There's a leave.
Abusiafo we ene de ekwa so wo mu se de ye counselor wo jojo eya abaya Freelove chense chese wo ya Ashaw0 kwa wo ho no no eye best bre dwaman hu ne wura ne ma ne kokko wura ho no ma chese wo kwa pe ma enuti ene ma ne koye ene chese wo jojo abaya yi wo ho na se de na jojo no esi ekwo ne se de na wo twa ede bo no na asema wo kan ye kra chese wo hu se enu na ehye abaya no a man ni so eto aso ene se wo ka se wo ya Ashaw0 no ankasa na abusia mama yenkohwe ebra abaya no susu no ensem ne ko so no esun ne to aso.
Thank you. I don't want to say. Obi aye ni wa o male bi aye Ashaw0. You didn't want
no, they will find some answer. There's a definition for prostitution and you know it. This is dating and you know what it is like you know. As a counselor, you know.
No, what did you know? I said going to look for a date.
You're for console. I feel like I won't cry.
You're taking advantage. Come on.
Yeah, advantage. Okay, I was so young. Why am I?
Maybe we'll come back and maybe we'll come back.
I don't know who you are. Who you are?
Yes, boy, I'm disappointed.
Why are you disappointed? Why am I going
to cry, and
I guess you need to stop this name calling and
you
see,
and in your beard, this is your mentality. You have a sister like this. Consider what? You have a sister like this. Then your sister will go through this and you'll be happy with it. That a guy, can you show me the face of the boy?
The girl say he's nice guy.
Who say?
The girl.
So what to say sexual scandal this show. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Come on, I don't know what is wrong with you. I don't know what is wrong with you. I don't know why it's just wrong. So it's so difficult for him to accept that women have a choice on this planet Earth. We have choices to make, and you don't even have to say it for us because you're a man, and you can't even be a woman. I wonder how you get to understand the kids because I don't know.
Abusiafo we ene de ekoko wie na chese akwakwa wie eye Freelove abaya no esun mra chese nkrofo we mu mienu counselor ene nu kokko pie mu wo eye FM station one mu chese wo mo kwakwa kasao enwa eno no chese counselor fa ade no as wo no talk show as one one ye host on one present on one ye bibia ebusebusa abaya no question etotoma ne no etimisa frɛ no Ashaw0 niba esa ewo eye emframa eso na chese akwakọ ya rehosem ede ama abaya no eye pa na no na Ghana fo binum eka se na wo counselor aden wo ye wa adwen se wo pese wo ware no wankwa wo yire no kokko pen no enya wonye ready say anko so dey ti anka wo open no opne so so na obebia the fact say ware nkwa de obetwe se obenya be ma wone no ebetina no ma study wo mu ho enti no the fact say wakọ eye dey trash so ana say wakọ tina eye TV so se obi amanse nyina enhwe ne se wakọ pe be ma no enkyere se wonya be ma no ewie ya wo wakọ bie ninem se be ma no wone no enda enti no the counselor eye ya no na se entwa ye kwakwa se otimi ema eye abaya no esun ye ewo eye set so abra wo bia ewo hon mana se eda abontia wo bia ehwe ebiem ebinom who is a counselor a subayano a su and a banya won nemwa enono na there were ya no so de entwe say wa harazi abayano crying in the presence of a host no ene a ya brantie samina no wo ho no kwampo no ya abayano obetimi e de no akokot emra no ebetimi no e de wo so ye counselor emra no ene no bedi because wo ye counselor no so nkyere say obetimi de bibia ato anima na so obetimi ajojo wo bia se de wo epe na no na ebinom nso so etai de counselor ye no achi hu ne sehwe the counselor cano no kurabia enim because who ni say we the first time a counselor e Kenyan asem e wo mayimu e magana fo nyina e hu no say enye bibia e wo social media enye bibia koso e wo TV station no e na wo say ye gena baba ye like a hype ade Ghana for ye pe hype too much bibia ba ya na ye hype ade na nya krampo na ye man fans na ade no eji edin na e say e mabunu no ento hu ni say the counselor can dey e ye ne kwan so a e no de bi no so say na ba ye pa de we keke so timi so wo ene wani enye den kura na mama yenkenkan eye adwenkyere no bi e baye Safu Kantanka ede awode eba o say Ashaw0 in disguise. This is the most sensible statement I have heard this Lutterodt guy make, and it is right or not so ede enon Christy ede awode eba o say it is funny, very funny. You meet a guy or a woman on a television show and suddenly you fall in love. Date Rush is a useless program. And also so ede awode eba o won say Sebema wo be call a TV station wo ba wo be ko TV station ya do be to aya amansan teleso kasafonyini so ya do be to honum na wo be gina honum na be sa be bu mu be bu pa na wo be nya be ma na like all of a sudden na wa drop be ma no wo hu nipa no for the first time no wa drop no pan dem nyansen bia enu to hu say sa program no useless one eni kwan krompo say ye sponsor so omo was sponsors e wo e ho ye nia Elijah aten ede awode eba was saying this time counselor Lutterodt is perfectly right. That is a platform for immorality. How many of those dating through that program got married? Or no so no say the counselor Canadian ne kwan so no why more nipa dodo sign na akosa program is to date trash so akwakonya bema wo mo etimi ne wo mo atena abobra akosisa wo mo eware entinu we no ade a wo mo ye keke asa ya twra de amom mo me ye mfanjeje nkrofo ani enti ohu ni se we ehu ehia Richard ade awode eba ye o say you can meet your partner at anywhere and you being to know each other from there. Counselor, I don't see anything wrong about Date Rush platform. And also so ede no se hwe he se wo hia wo bi ado obi no daba ko ena wo bitimi di hu obi timi di po obi asem obi etimi hu obi o ye de wo do no enti that platform no wo hu no boni bia ewom because wo ye na hu nipa no wo do no a na wa steady no na wo nyoma na se nyoma wo bia ebe ye no na a kire se mu betimi aware ana se mu ntimi enware eye den ya wo kokohia ye obi e wa bonta na counselor bo wo hia wo yere no hu no na wo pe no eye odo nti na ade ko ye wo do no enu nti na wo pe no so o ye de wo so because no so I ready to person onya bema ene no den etna enti mu steady mu na nka wo hwe na nka mu ntimi entna anka no ane se mu betitintisa ene ohu se Date Trash no etie na enye se bibia adwamamo eho enwoma truth ede awode eba you say but what he is saying is true. So this woman want to tell us say no man has proposed to her on the street, and if they do, why didn't she accept but will rather accept a television one? It is nonsense. The truth always hurts. That is why she is crying. And also so Eddie no who say no cry when it can ya o nanso so kan eno ano na de fa ho de eba de counselor kan one no eye adwin eye papa into opa che say abaya no wonya ba ma bia wa bonten a wo pe no na de nti na wo mo pe no abonten wantimi ampene wo mo so na television de e na wo ba beku e wo ehun ti su na wo su ne e che say asel na abante kan aye ne ya wonu no ho pass wo di sa eduma no ba just one person be admit e no person di blame no e ma eye counselor Lutterodt e wo sa kwan no eso ye ne a bright prempe e dia wode e ba ye o say it's the media that has been giving him the platform to speak his mind. He is not a counselor and he always invite him. He should should stop doing all that he is doing. No so there and no who say abrantia na ye ma ne kwan adane da woni na maye TV station, radio station, ekeka ne boso nsem ekeka nsem hunu de kire wiasa fa na nyina no. One no one counselor enti eni kwan kwan bo so wo invite no on a program be esa so wo me hye wo bi eba enie ya wo me hye na yakayaka de aden won na wo no enti no wo hu ne say abrante ni kwan say ye to ensa e de friend no e wo program be aso because so share ye present akra na no krampo no wadwa e wo ne ya eye counselor Lutterodt wo dan na die e wo e ho no abusuam say e na wo hu enwoma ne say de si e kwa wo hwe videos a ye de egu apono so na counselor odibem anase wodi efo abaya no nso so no wodi bem e wode wo ka no anase wo no so wodi efo na denti e na be ma wo bi aye ka ho asem ubesu e wo eye set so because o say yakase o ya hye woni abra wonye ye se yan fa nto so na ma ne nye ho nti se ye de aka kyew na enya ade a wo ya denti na be ma wo esu se de wadwen e kyewu esi efa no mesese wo de e baba because ehum ebehia me pa eye enu nti e na da ne da magima konwa e wo eye tuma GH no enti no wan fa ma na kyese wo mpese menya adwuma aye abusuafo aha e na de dwumadie no ebesie da sene ye besane hia
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nye ne bone pa ne kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe ne subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na why subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na